Welcome to YouTube, and thanks for tuning in. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2026 GMC Yukon. This full-size SUV isn't just back, it's bolder, smarter, and more luxurious than ever before. If you're someone who loves power, presence, and premium features all in one massive package, you're going to love what GMC has done with the 2026 Yukon. So, sit back and get ready to experience the next level of SUV greatness. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Yukon, it makes a statement. It carries forward the strong and boxy design that's made it a favorite for families and adventurers alike, but this time, it gets a refreshed grille, redesigned LED headlights, and new wheel options that range up to a massive 24 inches. The bold front fascia is more refined, yet aggressive, while the sculpted sides and signature C-shaped tail lights add a modern flair that keeps it feeling fresh and forward-looking. Whether you're pulling up to a red carpet event or hitting the mountains, the Yukon demands attention wherever it goes. Inside, GMC has seriously stepped up its game. The cabin of the 2026 Yukon is nothing short of first class. Premium materials are used throughout, including available wood trims, quilted leather seats, and brushed metal accents. The new 18.3-inch curved OLED display that flows seamlessly into the digital gauge cluster is a centerpiece of technology and elegance. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with a new AI-powered voice assistant that learns your preferences over time. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either. They get massive 16-inch entertainment screens and best-in-class legroom. If you're going for the Denali Ultimate trim, you'll be treated to massaging front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and even a 36-speaker Bose sound system that surrounds you in crystal-clear audio. Under the hood, the 2026 Yukon doesn't hold back. GMC offers multiple powertrain options including a 5.3 V8, a 6.2 V8, and an enhanced 3.0L Duramax turbo diesel. Each of these engines is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and optional magnetic ride control for an incredibly smooth ride. With available four-wheel drive and a newly updated adaptive air suspension system, this SUV can conquer tough terrain while keeping passengers in absolute comfort. And let's not forget its towing capabilities. Rated up to 8,400 pounds, the Yukon is ready to haul boats, trailers, and anything else you throw at it. Safety is another strong point for the 2026 Yukon. GMC has packed it with their most advanced suite of safety and driver assistance features yet. This includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and the newly refined Super Cruise hands-free driving system that now works on even more roads across North America. It's all about driving smarter, safer, and more confidently. In short, the 2026 GMC Yukon is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of style, strength, and sophistication. Whether you're buying it for your family, your lifestyle, or simply because you want the best, the new Yukon delivers on every level. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car content. Thanks for watching.